everybody, it is that time again. You are watching the Times 50 Most Desirable People 2010. Gorgeous, happening and very, very desirable. It's all about those men and women who make you want to be them, or should I say, be with them.
और आज हम आपके लिए रिवील करेंगे नंबर्स 40 से लेकर 31 तक. Those men and women who have made it to the Times 50 Most Desirable People 2010.
और जैसे कि आप जानते हैं, from 1st December to 31st December 2010, all of India voted for their hot favorites और आपके ही वोट्स ने डिसाइड की लिस्ट.
Hundreds of potential names, पर सिर्फ 50 ही इस लिस्ट में इंक्लूड हुए after weeks of high voltage voting and धमाल. And now we move ahead और जैसा कि हमने आपसे पहले कहा था, it gets hotter, tougher, much more glamorous and simply more and more desirable. पिछली बार हमने देखे नंबर्स 50 to 41.
Recap: The Times 50 Most Desirable People 2010 के पिछले एपिसोड के रैंक्स. Number 50, model actor Arjun Bajwa and debutant Bollywood actor Aruna Shields. On 49, former Miss World and now an established actor Neha Dhupia and actor Ashmit Patel. 48, the sexy Selena Jaitley and the new talent on the Bollywood horizon Aditya Roy Kapoor. 47, actor Sharman Joshi and the hot calendar model Anjali Lavanya. 46 per director, producer and celebrated TV host Karan Johar and the hot item girl Sherlyn Chopra. On 45, model Manasvi Mamgai and the younger member of the Deol clan, the handsome Bobby Deol. 44 per the young and dashing Ayan Ali Khan and model Neha Hinge. 43 per Santoor Wizard and the handsome Rahul Sharma or actor Sonal Chauhan. 42, brilliant businesswoman Aisha Thapar and the comeback star Vivek Oberoi. And on 41, on the Times 50 Most Desirable People 2010, new sensation Ranveer Singh and actor Nandana Sen.
And now we move on with
Mission Coffee. Actually, तुमने mention किया ना पिछली बार, तो मुझे याद आया. नहीं भूला नहीं था, but it's always been Mission Coffee for me.
Yeah, and it's always been mission ignore for me because, I have better things to do. Ladies and gentlemen, here come number 40 on the Times 50 Most Desirable People 2010.
On the Times Top 50 Most Desirable Women is Rhea Sen. Rhea has been a hot face in Bollywood, inheriting the genes from her mother and grandmother. Pretty hair, sexy hair, and with the kind of roles जो उन्होंने किए हैं, she has always been on the desirable list of many of her fans. सिर्फ रिया के वो अवतार ही नहीं जिनमें she is all oomph and glamorous, but even in her ethnic appearances, she appears really attractive and desirable. पिछले साल रिया थी 35 पर, and in 2008 she was on number 23. And sure enough, she is very much on the list of the Times 50 Most Desirable Women 2010 at number 40. Prateek Babbar, a splitting image of his immensely talented mother Smita Patil. Up next is the still relatively new kid on the block, Prateek Babbar. Prateek जिन्हें जाने तू या जाने ना में पहले नोटिस किया गया, and he actually made people stand up and appreciate him. थोड़ा सा calculated रहे हैं अपने करियर में. For sure he is intense in his looks. एक तरह का enigma maintain करते हैं अपने बारे में. बहुत चूजी रहे हैं अपनी फिल्मों को लेकर. And after Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na, it's been a long gap now when his second film Dhobi Ghat is about to release. And boy, his perfectly toned look in the film is making many hearts flutter. Not quite in the league of the Imran Khans or the Ranbir Kapoors of the industry yet, but this young man has made enough waves in the industry to be appreciated as a potential talent bomb for Bollywood. Ek enigmatic smile, a hidden charm in his personality, young and bubbly in his personal space, yet reserved publicly. Prateek है number 40 पर on the Times 50 Most Desirable Men 2010.
Smita Patil के amazing talent का प्रतीक, her son who has this killer of a mysterious air about him, which actually revs up the desire for him. Do you agree?
100%. Mark my words, ये लड़का ना आगे चलकर he's going to rock.
Rocking is what this list is all about. बढ़ते हैं आगे to the most desirable woman on number 39. Another very sexy bombshell. She has her share of critics, but for all that she is, she does make it on the desirability list of people जिनके लिए आपने वोट किया.
Number 39 पर it's the sexy Koina Mitra. Koina, who is a well-known name in Tinseltown. इन्होंने अपनी journey start की एक item song से और फिर many more followed. Koina positioned herself as a symbol of glamour and desirability in Bollywood. Appearances, styling, image, सब पर Koina the temptress का stamp रहा. She went about changing her appearance not once but several times. At times looking sexier, but at times not so. But the fact remains that she manages to remain in the spotlight and very much on the radar of Bollywood. कुछ फिल्मों में लीड रोल्स करके कोइना ने आइटम गर्ल वाली अपनी इमेज को भी तोड़ा और ये इनकी सेक्स अपील, इनकी डिजायरेबिलिटी को और बढ़ाती है. To number 39 on the Times 50 Most Desirable Women 2010, Koina Mitra.
Oh, it feels great. I think this is the third year, if I'm not wrong, and it feels great to be wanted and to be, on that list. I think strong, deeply rooted desire is the starting point of all kind of achievement. So I think it's very important to be wanted, and it's important to earn fans. And I thank Times and Zoom, for having me on that list. I feel very special.
So that was Koina Mitra on number 39. And now for the men. Up next is someone for whom desirability runs in his genes, from father to son. A handsome man with a cocky smile, all set to floor the women. Here is Zaid Khan on number 39.
Making a comeback on the Times 50 Most Desirable Men list is the cool dude Zaid Khan. 2008 में इनकी पोजीशन रही 19 and then अगले साल Zaid was found missing from the list, but the charmer has found his way back on the Times 50 Most Desirable Men at number 39. तो Zaid किन क्वालिटीज की वजह से क्वालिफाई करते हैं? Well, the looks of course, जो इन्होंने इनहेरिट किए हैं अपने good looking parents से. New age young man, so has an infectious attitude, a cool dude to the core, fashionable and very stylish. Bollywood में still to rise to dizzying heights, पर potential इनमें है, that's for sure. So maybe next year we could see him rising up the charts. But this young man from the Bollywood Khan Brigade for now is at number 39 on the Times 50 Most Desirable Men 2010.
Feels great. Honestly, I just got this call and I was quite amazed. Okay, after a while people get onto the Times site and they vote for their favorite desirable people, and I'm just happy to know that I'm still alive and kicking. People haven't forgotten about me. They still love me as much, and it just feels great to be on the Times list because it's the kind of group that really does their homework and they really go out on a leg and a limb to make these popular sort of things.
Already breathless? Well, ये तो सिर्फ शुरुआत थी. Still many more names to go और top positions पर कौन है ये जानने के लिए काफी टाइम है अभी. But for now, it's time for a break.
और ब्रेक के बाद आप जानिए जिनके लिए आपने वोट किया क्या वो इंडिया के मोस्ट डिजायरेबल लिस्ट में है या नहीं. Catch you in a while on the Times 50 Most Desirable People 2010 only on Zoom.
Welcome back to the Times 50 Most Desirable People 2010. We're not even halfway through and I'm already loving it. All these desirable men, I tell you, सिर्फ looks ही नहीं, सिर्फ body ही नहीं. It takes much more to charm a woman,
And your search ends here. You know what? कभी-कभी जो दिखता है वो होता नहीं. You need to go deeper, especially with men.
All right. Would you like to share some gyan on this?
Okay, if you insist. See, men find those women desirable जो अपने आप को over smart नहीं समझती. You know, attitude, it's a turn off. फिर भी, obviously, you need to have a good body, hot looks, eyes, and style which you can carry yourself. And actually, बुरा नहीं मानोगी तो एक बात कहूँ?
क्या बात?
यही कि I feel that, you know, you need to work on all these departments. Don't mind.
Bad attempt.
Really? Actually, मैं confess करना चाहता हूँ, तुम्हें देखकर मैं सब कुछ भूल जाता हूँ.
Oh God, bad attempt number 2. अब please क्या हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं? You know, I'm dying to find out the Times 50 most desirable people 2010 के number 38 position पर कौन है?
कोई बात नहीं. I guess I have someone better to set my eyes on. Of all the things I like about the next lady on the list, it's her smile and of course the rest. जो इन्हें desirable बनाता है, खुद देख लीजिए.
Aanchal Kumar, a really beautiful face from the modeling circuit, is next on the desirable women list. Aanchal pretty है, maybe सिर्फ pretty नहीं, really beautiful. And इनकी visibility सिर्फ modeling world तक ही नहीं रही है. एक reality show में participate करने के बाद she became more well known and famous. Not only that, कुछ फिल्मों में cameos भी किया उन्होंने. And perhaps she still has a long way to go to make it really big in the world of glamour. But this does not deny the fact that looking at her, one gets the desire her feeling. She can appear demure, and अगले ही पल में she can be an absolute glamour bomb. Aanchal की smile can leave you intoxicated, and there's a certain magic in her eyes which can make men let down all their defenses. Sexy and beautiful, Aanchal Kumar on number 38.
I think to be on the list of the 50 most desirable people, it is a big honor. It feels prestigious, and especially to be nominated alongside, you know, stalwarts from the industry, people who've made it really big. So I think it's a great honor, and at the same time to be known that you're desired and you're desirable, especially if you're from the entertainment industry. I think it's a great honor.
The Punjabi lad with sharp features, intense looks, and a decently successful Bollywood career. ये है Kunal Kapoor. Looks-wise, he sure scores above many more desirable men. Handsome, sharp features, a dimple smile, tall and well-carved out body. Achievement देखे जाए तो obviously Rang De Basanti, and his role in it comes first. He became an instant star after that film. Beyond that, कुछ और फिल्में, some memorable roles, and endorsing some really leading brands has made Kunal quite a successful and desirable man. Add to that a bachelor. इसलिए female fans की गिनती भी काफी है, and he's enjoying the status for sure. अब तो Kunal flying lessons भी ले रहे हैं to become a commercial pilot too, and that's also what keeps his desirability quotient high flying. Number 38 पर Kunal Kapoor on the Times 50 Most Desirable Men 2010.
You know what? I want to frame Kunal's smile and keep it in my heart forever. Oh, he's such a desirable man.
दिल में ही रखना है तो I am not a bad option, as I prefer the heart to the mind, because I am simply mind-blowing.
Good one. पर क्या है ना, मेरे दिल में already कोई है, तो जब vacancy हो जाएगी, I'll inform you.
It will be too late then, sweetheart.
No problem, sweetheart. क्योंकि for now, the name that's flashing in front of me on the Times 50 Most Desirable Men seems a lot more attractive. पर पंगा ये है कि मैं अकेली नहीं हूँ ना क्यों में. He has millions desiring him, but he's already hooked and booked. पर फिर भी, his name says it all. So on number 37 on the Times 50 Most Desirable People 2010, we have none other than Abhishek Bachchan.
Legacy inherited. Abhishek Bachchan है Times 50 Most Desirable Men की लिस्ट में अगला नाम. Sadly, downward trend रहा है इनका तीनों सालों में. 2008 में अभिषेक थे number 13 पर. Major drop to number 40 last year. और इस साल अभिषेक has climbed up 3 places to number 37 on the desirability scale. Personally, अभिषेक अब भी उतने ही charming है. Maybe there are people who have pipped him to the higher spots. He has a fabulous sense of humor, carries himself with style, and radiates a youthful energy not many can. Of course, the Bachchan surname adds to his desirability. और इस fact को तो शायद कभी भी ignore नहीं किया किया जा सकता? Being the better half of Aishwarya Rai Bachchan too must have won him many jealous men competitors. But that's what he is, a winner in life. 37 on the Times Top 50 Most Desirable Men, Abhishek Bachchan. 37. Parvati Omanakuttan. Firmly placed on number 37 on the Times 50 Most Desirable Women 2010 is Parvati Omanakuttan. Yes, the lady जिन्हें 2008 में Femina Miss India World crown किया गया था. And then she went on to be the first runner-up in the global contest. She comes across as a beauty who has a head on her shoulders. Yet to make a mark in Bollywood. पर initial steps ले चुकी है ये sizzling lady. And the industry is awaiting her first release, United 6. Sharp features, tall and charming. Parvati का career glam world में आगे कहां तक जाता है? Time will tell. But right now, she has been voted on number 37 on the Times 50 Most Desirable Women 2010. 2008 की list में number 17 पर थी. And then 2009 में she missed out on the list for the 50 desirable women. And now she has made a comeback on the list. Proof of her desirability and the fact that she's here to stay.
It feels great to be a part of the 50 Most Desirable list, and it's been a great experience to be a part of the Times family. And I would really thank all the people who are voting for me for their love and their support. And it only gives me more confidence with more love that they give, and I'm really happy for that.
So, ladies and gentlemen, those were numbers 40 to 37 on the Times 50 Most Desirable People 2010. वैसे when it comes to the heat of desire, when it becomes too hot to handle, तो क्या करना चाहिए?
क्या करना चाहिए?
एक ब्रेक लेना चाहिए. Break. Welcome back. You are watching the Times 50 Most Desirable People 2010 with Vivan and Shruti, only on Zoom.
You know what, Vivan? I'm a little sad actually. My cute Abhishek Bachchan was only on number 37, yaar.
Well, you can't blame him actually. जनता का वोट था, इसमें हम क्या कर सकते हैं? और जनता ने नंबर 36 पर वोट किया है इनको.
Rajiv Khandelwal, the very popular face of Indian television और अब Bollywood में भी, is next on the list. The handsome Rajiv comes across as a very intense man with a face that can make many hearts skip a beat. TV से सिनेमा की तरफ मोड़ आया फिल्म आमिर से. The film got good reviews and Rajiv got all the credit for its success too. With its success, एक reality show से राजीव एक बार फिर TV की तरफ मुड़े. But as of now, इनका concentration completely Bollywood पर है. Success, glory, fame, सब कुछ अपनी मेहनत से अचीव किया. And now he makes it to number 36 on the Times Top 50 Most Desirable Men 2010.
I'm a very average and a very ordinary looking guy. And to be in the Times list of 50 most desirable people definitely makes me feel very good. I would be lying if I would say that I'm used to hearing me being nominated in a list like this. I think, yes, it would make anyone feel good. It makes me feel good too.
अगली पोजीशन पर है एक न्यू एंट्रेंट ऑन द टाइम्स 50 मोस्ट डिजायरेबल वुमेन 2010. Sexy, sizzling, and well, ignition for fanning any man's desires, to say the least. This hot face belongs to Kainat Arora, the woman who set the temperature soaring with her item number in Khatta Meetha. The face, the body, the moves, all leaving no stones unturned to make her being desired. She is seen on the filmy circuit and parties a lot, and the way she carries herself, Kainat has men gazing at her, gasping for breath. That's sexy. That's super desirable. Still a long way to go for her in Bollywood, but making it to this prestigious list will definitely do her good. The sultry, sexy Kainat Arora on number 36.
I think I feel truly desired after being nominated by Zoom as the most desirable women in India of 2010. I think it's a great feeling and quite a welcoming feeling, in fact. And let's see how it goes.
The lovely Kainat, who for sure is the whole of Kainat for her fans. Number 36 on the list of most desirable women. Aur agla naam, this woman almost had the dunya at her feet. If not the whole Kainat, for her it was like instant stardom.
और वो भी सिर्फ इंडिया में ही नहीं, वर्ल्ड वाइड.
Dunya at her feet meant that only, na?
Listen, stop being over smart, okay?
No, I to treat the ladies like flowers, tender and gentle. I'm a gentleman.
Whatever. आप देखिए the woman who's on number 35 on the Times 50 most desirable people 2010. None other than Freida Pinto.
From being a face in television commercials to being a name to reckon with on the global platform of cinema, Freida Pinto की कहानी किसी fairy tale से कम नहीं है. Latika of Slumdog Millionaire changed Freida's destiny forever. This is a life anyone would desire. Freida typical Bollywood lead women की तरह ना भी हो, लेकिन वो clearly top of the line actresses की तरह glamorous और hot है. In fact, her red carpet appearances internationally have always made heads turn. She has achieved, और वो भी almost overnight, that which many current Bollywood heroines can only dream of: global fame and how. As for her looks, Freida is dusky, appears sensuous, and a smile which radiates positivity all around. Desirable for being sexy. For achieving unimaginable success, charming and attractive Freida Pinto jumps up on the chart from 43 last year to number 35 in 2010 on the Times 50 most desirable women. From a steady number 15 in both 2008 and 2009, Times Top 50 Most Desirable 2010 में Neil Nitin Mukesh finds himself at number 35. This young man instantly freezes you with his drop-dead looks. Indian hero से थोड़ा different. He has a westernized appearance to his personality with his semi-blonde hair and his eyes. Neil has also worked up his body and looks more desirable with each passing day. पहली ही फिल्म में he impressed the industry and the audience and kick-started his fan following, especially the female variety. Lots of potential in him to stay very much here in the following years to come. Neil Nitin Mukesh on number 35 in the Times Top 50 Most Desirable Men 2010.
So I think it's a very, very big honor to be one of the 50 most desirable people in India, and that to be nominated by Times Group.
The promising future of the Gen Next brigade of actors, Neil on number 35, and now the suspense for the next 5 men and women.
Desirable men and women.
I stand corrected, desirable men and women. The suspense is on और थोड़ा सा और बढ़ते हैं आगे but we'll go for a short break first.
The Times 50 Most Desirable People 2010 will be back right after this short break, so stay tuned.
Welcome back. It's the moment we've all been waiting for.
These are the people जिनकी एक झलक आप सबको दीवाना बना देती है.
The Times 50 Most Desirable People 2010. तो आप तैयार हैं to handle all the sizzling excitement? It's time to watch number 34.
And on 34, it's one of the most sought after sportsmen of the country. Shy है थोड़ी से, but women still swoon after him.
मैं भी sportsman हूँ by the way. Carom champion.
Oh my God, what a pathetic one, Vivan. Please इनसे थोड़ी inspiration ले लो. On number 34, we have none other than Irfan Pathan.
इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम के बिना बॉय इरफान पठान अगला नाम है द टाइम्स 50 मोस्ट डिजायरेबल मेन 2010 की लिस्ट में. इरफान पठान है notches higher than his last year's position of 45. This year the man makes it at 34. Irfan has the ladies going crazy after him. The moment he sets foot on the field, girls screaming "Marry me," and the young man takes it all in his stride. Tall, lanky, handsome, and a fearless sportsperson. इन सभी फैक्टर्स के चलते इरफान अब भी अपनी पोजीशन को मेंटेन किए हुए है. His charm can be as lethal as his deliveries on ground, and the man knows it. Irfan Pathan 2010 में at number 34.
Whenever you comes in the top 50 desirable people in India, it's always a good feeling, and it's a great pleasure to be, having to be just part of the amazing 50 desirable men and women. So it's quite good, great feeling.
Yana Gupta, the amazingly beautiful and hot model turned item girl turned reality show participant, is next on the list. Yana took Tinseltown by storm in the very hot Babuji Zara Dheere Chalo, and from there it was no looking back for her. Yana has been a model and a face for many prestigious magazines and commercials, and of late एक reality show में भी अपनी dancing skills demonstrate कर रही हैं. और फिर इस बीच कुछ और झलक भी दिखाई अपने talents की. If you know what we mean. So as for her desirability, Yana is sexy for sure, hot beyond doubt. She manages to make heads turn wherever she goes, and there are times when the gossip mills work overtime to keep her in the limelight. बहुत frequently तो नहीं दिखाई दे रही हैं on the big screen, but despite that, Yana is very much desirable and sought after on the glam circuit. Number 34 on the Times 50 Most Desirable Women 2010, Yana Gupta.
I'm very excited and honored to be on the Times list of most desirable women. And thank you very much.
You know what, Shruti? एक time था I used to leave everything and stay glued to the television जब भी याना का बाबूजी ज़रा धीरे चलो. I mean, she is hot in that song, man. In fact, she still is.
Well, now that's what I call desirable. कुछ समझे? Women can drive men crazy any day. लड़कों को of course थोड़ा extra effort करना पड़ता है ना?
Hey, listen, हम लोग actually लड़ रहे हैं क्या? You know?
नहीं
तो फिर एक दूसरे को थोड़ा सा attitude दे रहे हैं.
नहीं.
So then what's all of this about?
मुझे क्या पता, तुमने शुरू किया था.
Come on, see, simple सी बात है, हम अपने viewers को the Times 50 Most Desirable People का countdown दिखाएंगे, उनके साथ हम भी enjoy करेंगे. We will have fun here, and that's what it's all about.
Exactly, क्योंकि इस लिस्ट में पहुंचने के लिए you need to have that extra zing in you. It's exclusive and it's elite. It's really the list of the most happening people in India. And just for the record, आपका नाम नहीं है यहाँ पर.
कोई बात नहीं, ना मेरा नाम ना तुम्हारा नाम. चलो इसी गम को बांटते हैं और a cup of coffee.
Oh my God, Vivan, once again, अगर तुमने कॉफी का नाम लिया ना, you're dead. People, ये है number 33 on the Times 50 Most Desirable People 2010, Giselle Monteiro.
लव आजकल में इनका रोल फिल्म की रिलीज तक अंडर रैप्स रखा गया, and after that it was a pleasant surprise. हिंदी फिल्म ऑडियंस को मिला एक नया चेहरा, sweet, innocent, very lovable, and the world changed for Giselle Monteiro. This Brazilian beauty played a demure Punjabi girl in the film, but she made fans by the millions in her first film itself. The sweet smile, the magical eyes, and of course the magnetic beauty धीरे धीरे उन्होंने प्रूव किया है that it's not just the demure girl that she can be, she can switch to an absolutely tempting, hot and sexy woman in an instant. And what more would you want in a woman to desire? Awaiting her next big release this year, Giselle Montero debuts at number 33 on the Times 50 Most Desirable Women 2010.
Oye, Harleen Kaur, amazingly hot, and wow, her face, it is magnetic for the eyes of men.
You know, if you're done gushing, then can we please move on to the most desirable man at number 33?
वो तुम्हारा डिपार्टमेंट वो तुम देख.
Okay. और आप भी देखिए. Here we have the next person on number 33, Vikram Kennedy.
Vikram Kennedy. Actor and playback singer John Kennedy, known in the cinema world as Vikram Kennedy, है the Times 50 Most Desirable Men 2010 की लिस्ट में नंबर 33 पर. Vikram, जो southern film industry के superstar है, has lent his talent to several hit films and is a name to reckon with in the tinsel world. Vikram commercially ही successful नहीं रहे हैं, पर critically भी his work and his efforts have been appreciated with many awards, including the Filmfare and the National Awards for the Best Actor. हिंदी फिल्मों के audience से Vikram का introduction हुआ फिल्म रावण से, where he was paired opposite none other than Aishwarya Rai. जहां men in their 20s and 30s are making it to this list, Vikram का inclusion in this exclusively selected and voted list speaks volumes for his desirability. So here he is at number 33 on the Times 50 Most Desirable Men 2010.
Flattered, really flattered. I think it's it kind of gives a boost to actors like me who, for every role, like for instance for now, what I look totally different from what I am. I kind of de-glamorize myself and I try to do something which is so not even normal, so subnormal, and sometimes looks ghastly or looks very, very dirty or ugly. And so when you get selected for something like this, you know that people recognize what you're trying to do in movies, and you also do get flattered. I mean, it is something I need to feel proud about, and I'm sure I'm going to save this little thing and show to my grandchildren when it happens.
Man who managed to be the husband of the most beautiful woman in the world, screen पर ही विक्रम कैनेडी. आप क्या सोच रही हैं?
सोच रही हूँ कि तुम्हें कॉफी बनानी आती है क्या?
मैं सपना देख रहा हूँ.
नॉट रियली. कोई बात नहीं. वैसे मैं बस यही सोच रही थी कि इतने कम टाइम में इंस्टेंट कॉफी से ही काम चलाना पड़ेगा ना. इट्स ब्रेक टाइम फोक्स.
Oh God, कोई बात नहीं, देख लूंगा. People, the Times 50 Most Desirable People are waiting for you on the other side of this break. Catch you in a while.
Welcome back. ये है The Times 50 Most Desirable People 2010.
By now तो आप anticipate कर ही चुके होंगे that we are moving up the countdown and the desirability quotient is increasing to make things hotter.
Well, be it the men or the women, एक नाम worth its position on the list.
India's most desirable people right here counting down, right to the top. Well, for the women, I can vouch. Trust me, they are the creme de la creme of the most desirable.
Oh yeah, I keep forgetting you're the expert.
Thank you. It comes with all the experience, you know. I forgot. मैंने तुम्हें promise किया था कि I will groom you to be a little more desirable.
हाँ, वैसे तुमने promise तो किया था, लेकिन मैंने हाँ नहीं कहा था. I know what I want when it comes to men.
Oh, is that so? I'm all ears.
Actually, what I find desirable in a man, वो एक में मिलना थोड़ा मुश्किल है.
What are you saying?
Don't get any ideas, please, Vivan. देखो, कोई दिखने में cool होता है तो ऊपर की story खाली. कोई talented होता है तो romance के department में zero. Someone has a great body तो दिल पत्थर.
How poetic and tragic. God, इतने tough criteria रखती ही क्यों हो? Loosen up a little और आसपास देखो शायद कोई मिल जाए.
अब आसपास तो तुम्हारे अलावा कोई है नहीं. And if you're hinting at yourself once again, तो मैं वही करूँगी. What I always do, change the topic.
इस बार नए ईगो पे बात आ गई है. The Times 50 Most Desirable People 2010 में आगे बढ़ते हैं नंबर 32 पे. Happy Shruti?
Absolutely. On 32 is the man जिनकी reputation थोड़ी naughty सी है, but then he has much more in him that makes him desirable. Here we have Imran Hashmi.
Barrios Namki, who can make even the most established men very jealous for what he has achieved on screen. Nothing to detail out, सिर्फ नाम ही काफी है. Imran Hashmi, one man जो looks wise देखा जाए तो mainstream desirable actors और hunk से थोड़ा ही नहीं, काफी अलग है. But for what he is now in the industry, वो सिर्फ मामू महेश भट्ट के ही confidence की वजह से नहीं है, but his own ability to deliver in films which made waves, much as for their content as well as their music. And of course, Imran's full-blown kisses on screen. All said and done, Imran has been quite successful as an actor, right from Murder, his first film. और ये फैक्ट कि सिर्फ भट्ट कैंप की ही फिल्मों में इमरान कैन डिलीवर was put to rest when he gave a fabulous performance in Once Upon a Time in Mumbai. He is surely desirable and he deserves every moment of his glory. On the Times 50 Most Desirable Men 2010. 2008 में he was on number 24. 2009 में went up to 18. और 2010 की लिस्ट में इमरान है on number 32 for the Most Desirable Man.
Well, it feels great that I'm on the Times 50 Most Desirable Men list, and I'm kind of surprised also because I don't see myself that way.
It's the lady who sets desires afire. On number 32, ये है Amisha Patel. Visible practically at all places, on screen, off screen, parties and events. Amisha, as far as her film career is concerned, थोड़ा सा low tide से गुजर रही हैं, but her desirability is still very much there. पहली फिल्म इनकी बॉक्स ऑफिस पर सुपर हिट थी, कहो ना प्यार है, और उसके बाद the next spike in her life was Gadar. पर उसके बाद अमीशा कभी स्पॉटलाइट में रही, कभी इनविजिबल, but then she made a comeback with a super glam guest appearance in Thoda Pyar Thoda Magic, swimsuit, sexy grooves, fanning the desire of her fans. The Times 50 Most Desirable में अमीशा की जर्नी थोड़ी डाउनवर्ड रही है, from 14 in 2008 to 29 in 2009, और अब इस साल 2010 में she is on number 32. But hey, that doesn't change the fact that she's still very desirable.
Well, I really don't know what being desirable is because there are so many people you see in these lists which sometimes, you or someone else doesn't find very desirable. Of course, it's very flattering. I think desirable doesn't have to do with just beauty, but also by inner confidence, people who are very successful in certain areas of their fields and in their professions. So it's a lovely feeling.
And now finally on number 31 is position where we have a young man who by default seems to be making himself very comfortable in the spotlight of Tinseltown. और इस default का नाम है दीपिका पादुकोण.
Come on, that's not the only factor. He's handsome, he's chiseled, and he's so very happening. So watch him. The Times 50 Most Desirable Man, number 31, Siddharth Malya.
Siddharth Malya, flamboyant father, inheritor of India's leading industrial house, handsome, young and classy, sums up Siddharth Malya, the next man on India's most coveted list of desirable men. Young and already making waves, seen at the right places and with the right people, including Deepika Padukone. Siddharth is handsome, super rich, has the works for the life's luxuries, and अपने पापा के footsteps पर चल रहे हैं in terms of flamboyance and style. Educated abroad, brought up overseas, Siddharth is a charming young man away from the glam brigade of Bollywood. yet very much part of it too. And what's more, of late Siddharth's lean avatar has been making him look super dishy. इन्हें वोट मिले हैं to be way above a lot many more desirable men. But no one's complaining, including Sid Malia, number 31 on the Times 50 most desirable list. Siddharth Malia.
Oh yeah, it was overwhelming. I was actually out of the country and someone phoned me up and said, you know, should we vote for you? I said, vote for what? And they're like, why don't you log on and check on the internet? And I saw it, so I was like, oh, this is really flattering to be considered on this list.
Acknowledged as amongst the fastest rising people by internet search engines, Neha Sharma hai on number 31 on the Times 50 Most Desirable Women 2010. For Hindi cinema audiences, she is the leading lady from Crook, starring opposite Imran Hashmi. Neha ke liye arc lights aur camera naya nahi hai. She has been the leading lady in a couple of super hit Telugu films before she came to Bollywood. Innocent face, a really bright smile, shapely eyes and a sexy figure to boot. Complete this beautiful package into a desirable one. पहली बार एंटर कर रही है नेहा हमारी इस लिस्ट में and she makes it high up on number 31.
Great. It feels awesome because there are a lot of people who love you. I think because people have voted. So it feels really good.
आज की लिस्ट यहीं तक बचे हैं 30 और desirable names and personalities. Next episode में we will have to reveal them from numbers 30 to 21. Yani more powerful, more inspiring, more sizzling and definitely more desirable.
The list is prestigious, the list is exclusive और आपकी तरह we also find our hearts racing with anticipation. And at least मुझसे तो wait नहीं होता. But then what to do? अब अगले 10 most desirable people देखने के लिए मुझे और आपको हम दोनों को अगले शो का वेट करना होगा. When we meet again for the Times 50 most desirable people of 2010.
वेट तो मैं भी कर रहा हूँ कब होगी मेहरबान ये स्वीट सी कन्या और कब होगे इसके साथ एक कॉफी का पोएट्री अटेम्प्ट कर रहा था सॉरी भूल
बैड अटेम्प्ट नंबर 3 तुम लगे रहो we'll see you tomorrow same time same place till then it's Shruti and Vivaan saying good night.